Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lutifa Rafifa Rinaldi Putri. Now, I would like to present my final exam presentation entitled When a Degree Becomes an Identity, Reflection on Knowledge and Integrity. Introduction. In modern society, academic degrees are often viewed as symbols of intelligence and success and serve as primary measure of individual judgment. However, change in the workplace and increasing concern about ethics are calling into question the meaning of these degrees. This is why I'm to examine how degrees can lose their value without integrity and to assert that integrity is the primary foundation of the value of knowledge. Subject of discussion. There are three main points that I will discuss today. The first, decrease the worth of work and the illusion of competence. Second, uncertifiable integrity. And third, education as a social identity factory. Point 1. Decrease the worth of work and the illusion of competence. Development in the workplace show that academic degrees are no longer the primary measure of an individual quality. Employers now value skills, experience, and work ethic more. This shift occurs because degrees often fail to reflect actual competence and instead serve as social protection from critical evaluation. Discussion point 2. Uncertifiable integrity. The rise in academic misconduct demonstrates that degrees can be earned without honesty. The underlying problem isn't just individuals, but a system that emphasizes results over ethical process, rendering degrees merely administrative legitimacy, not a reflection of integrity. Discussion point 3. Education as a social identity factor. Many students now view higher education solely as a means of obtaining a degree to advance their social status. As a result, education no longer focuses on developing knowledge and character, but rather on gaining recognition. Will read data. The first, Table 1, Word of Word Assessment of Candidate Criteria. Data shows that academic degrees are no longer a primary determinant in the workplace. This isn't because degrees are unimportant, but because they often fail to reflect true ability and integrity. The workplace is losing trust in degrees, which often serve as social protection rather than as evidence of quality thinking and work ethics. Next, Table 2, Form of Academic Integrity Violation. The high number of cases of plagiarism and academic dishonesty demonstrates that degrees can be earned without honesty. The problem lies not only with individuals but also with an academic system that emphasizes graduation over the scientific process. As a result, degrees become administrative tokens rather than symbols of integrity and intellectual achievement. Next, Table 3. Data student perception of the goals of higher education. Data shows that most students view higher education as a means of obtaining a degree for employment. As a result, education is understood in practical terms rather than as a process of intellectual and moral maturity. When a degree becomes the primary goals, integrity and social responsibility are neglected, putting university at risk of becoming a means of legitimacy rather than a means of developing knowledgeable individual. Next, conclusion. An academic degree will lose its meaning if it's not accompanied by integrity and real scientific quality. A degree should not be understood as a person's primary identity, but rather as the result of an educational process that fosters knowledge, skill, and moral responsibility. In other words, the value of the degree depends heavily on the integrity that accompanies it. The world of work, education, and society demonstrates and skill, ethic, and honestly are more important than a degree alone. Therefore, education must balance academic achievement with character development. That's all I can presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.